Hello viewer, welcome back to my channel. Today we are discuss about 3 KDP coloring book niches as well as. So if you are finding for a very profitable KDP niche and earning more, then this video is only for you. So if you are looking for the first time in my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and share my video to your friends and family whoever is interested in passive income. Finding a good, profitable and unique niche on KDP Amazon can be really hard, but this video I want to show you a good, profitable coloring book niche. So I try regularly a few coloring book profitable niche. I discuss day by day to get coloring book niches every day. So please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. So let's go Amazon Marketplace and we are search our first coloring book, Panda coloring book. Here the results only shows 660 results of for Panda coloring book. So obviously this is a small niche. Here one review, here we see 62 review, here we see 13 review, here we see 5 review, here we see 62 review. So this is profitable coloring book niche. Now our second niche is snack coloring book. Here the results only shows 739. This is also profitable niche, and here snack coloring book review only 16, and here snack coloring book review only 268. Here review only 25, here review only 83. So obviously this is a good product. Now our third niche is Paris coloring book. Paris coloring book. Here the results only shows 694 only. 694 only. So we see also here is Paris coloring book. Now here is also Paris coloring book. Now review is 6, and here we see review is 108. Here review is 2, here review is 3. Here review is Paris street style. So here is review is 347. Here is another niche, Paris style. Here is only shows 602 results for Paris street style. So we got another niche, Paris street style book. So these are today's discussing coloring book niche. And when we find coloring book niche and activity book niche, after finding or after research niche, then we will check the copyright and trademark at the same time as when we do niche research, because working with this type of product will terminate the account, so we have to be careful. So trademark is higher at the title and description. So when we find out any coloring book niche, any activity niche, please concentrate mostly like these niches related to movie character, logo, brand name, artwork, or big YouTube channel, so etc. So be careful when we find out coloring book and activity niche. Then at a time we must be check copyright and trademark. So thank you guys. If you have liked my video, please do subscribe my channel and share my video with your friends and family. If you have liked in this video, I do really appreciate a thumbs up, subscribe and hit that notification bell icon, so I can actually share with more niches, more ideas with you and help you to scale your self-publishing business. So until the next video, look forward to seeing them. Thank you so much. Thank you all.